turn on VinciBot and adjust the yellow camera to face forward. Use the programming blocks to turn on camera flip and camera image mirror until the preview image is upright. The face image in the preview moves as the face moves left and right. Then, turn on face recognition or Face ID recognition. The human face center coordinate coding block can be used to lock the position of the face relative to the AI vision. It has 4 parameters: X, Y, refers to the coordinates of the center point of the face, and width, height, refers to the width and height of the frame for face detection. When the face is positioned centrally in front of the camera, the coordinates of the face center are x equals 120, y equals 120. When the face moves to the right, the value of x gradually decreases to as low as 0. When the face moves to the left, the value of x gradually increases up to 240. When the face moves upward, the value of y gradually decreases to as low as 0. When the face moves downward, the value of y gradually increases up to 240. Width, height, represents the width and height of the frame for face detection. When the face is closer to the AI vision, the width and height values of the frame will be larger, otherwise, the values will be smaller.